What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Popeye. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna start with drawing his nose, so I'm gonna draw an oval shape at this point, like that. And I'm gonna leave the top part of the oval with a gap right there, and on the right side of that oval I'm gonna draw a curved line up right there, and I'm gonna make a semicircle turn to the left. And at that point I'm gonna draw a circle. I'm gonna continue that line across to the left, and at that point I'm gonna draw a curved line down to the ear, and I'm gonna draw a circular shape at this corner right here. And inside of that circle, I'm gonna draw a curved line at this point and another one right there. Now going back to the nose, so I'm gonna take this point on the right and draw a curved line outwards, and I'm gonna make a circular turn to the chin right there. And I'm gonna take this point and draw another circular shape and turn it to the left. Now on the left side of the nose, I'm gonna draw a curved line sideways to the left and turn it downwards, and I'm gonna thicken up this portion of that curve right there. And on top of that curve, I'm gonna trace the same curved line across to the nose right there. Now in the center of the face above the nose, I'm gonna draw a circular line right here, and I'm gonna extend that upwards to the side and turn it back down right there. And below that shape, I'm gonna draw a curved line at this corner to the chin right there. And for the right eye, I'm gonna draw an oval shape at this corner, and I'm gonna fill that in with black color. On top of that oval shape, I'm gonna draw a curved line at this corner right here for his eyebrow, and another curved line above it. And on the left side of the left eye, I'm gonna draw two curved lines at this corner. Now for his cap, I'm gonna go back to the circle above his head, and I'm gonna draw a curved line on the left side right there and turn it downwards to the head, and I'm gonna fill that in with black color. On the right side of that circle, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the right, and I'm gonna do a semicircle turn down and to the side of his face. And at this point, I'm gonna draw a curved line out and another one slightly above the first one for the other strand of hair. Going back to the cap, I'm gonna take this point behind the head and draw a circular line up and to the center, turn it down, and then I'm gonna draw another smaller circular line, and then a big one in front and back down in the front portion right there. Now below his ear, I'm gonna draw a curved line down on the left side and on the right side from this point down. And I'm gonna draw a curved line to the right and downwards. And then I'm gonna make a sharp turn to the left, down, and back up at the shoulder, and a circular turn back down to the side right there. On the right point of the neck, right here, I'm going to draw a curved line out and slightly downwards. And from this point, I'm going to draw his thumb with a curved line up and sideways to the right. Another curved line from this point across, and from this point another curved line to the right and slightly downwards. Another curved line right there, and another one at that point right there. Now from the side of the thumb here, I'm going to take this point and draw a curved line in that direction. And we're gonna do a similar shape on the outer line right here. And I'm gonna do a circular turn at the elbow to the left. At this point, I'm gonna draw a curved line down and a semicircular turn back up. And then we're going to do a similar shape for the other finger right here. And another one. And another one. And I'm going to extend this line to the right and towards the right arm. And at this point, I'm going to draw a curved line right there. And another curved line at that corner. At this point, I'm gonna draw a curved line to that point. And then for his outfit on the left, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line down. And another curved line right here. And then below that, a line down. And a curved line sideways. And I'm gonna extend it to the right with a curved line above his belt and upwards, and then from this point another curved line across and upwards. And from this point I'm going to draw a curved line all the way up to his arm. Now at his sleeve, I'm going to draw across a curved line right here, and at the side a semicircular line, and across a curved line. And at the side of the shoulder, I'm going to draw a curved line right there towards the hand, and another similar line above it, and another one above that. And we're going to do the same thing on the right shoulder as well, right here. And another one. Now on his hand, I'm gonna draw a circle at this point and a line diagonally up at this position, and across a semicircular line at this point and also this point. On his shoulder, on his elbow, I'm gonna draw a semicircular line. And on the right side of this arm, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there and a circular line for the other elbow and extend it upwards to the hand. Now for his belt, I'm gonna draw across a curved line below the shirt all the way to the right, and in the middle I'm gonna draw a line down for the buckle on each side. Now below the belt, on the left side, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there, and another curved line for his legs going down, and from this point a similar line going downwards, and I'm gonna make a semicircle turn at that corner and a semicircle line below that and extend it to the left. And at this point I'm gonna draw a curved line to the left for the upper part of the shoe and back downwards, and I'm gonna copy the same shape again at that point and extend it outwards, and a semicircle turn at the tip of the shoe and back to the right and up at that point right there. And below the lowest line I'm gonna trace the same line across again for the base of the shoe right there. And going back to the pants, we're gonna extend this line down and a semicircle line at this corner, and then I'm gonna draw across a curved line at this point right above the shoe. Around his knee I'm gonna add a circular line right there, and in between the pants I'm gonna draw across a curved line, and below the belt on the right I'm gonna draw a curved line down and turn it outwards and back down at the knee, and the circular line at the knee point right there, and I'm continuing down the curved line and extend it to the left side right there, and at this point I'm going to draw a circular line and extend it as well to the left. Now I'm going to do the same shape of the shoe with the curved line out and a semicircle turn back to the heels, and for the base we're gonna trace the same line at that point right there, and a few curved line at this point, and behind that leg I'm gonna draw a curved line right here and another one right there, and from this point the curved line downwards to the back. Now going back to his pipe, we're gonna draw from the side of his face on the right a line out and another line out slightly below that, and then a line diagonally up and another one down, and from both the top and the lower portion I'm gonna draw across a curved line and a line connecting the outer point right there, and a curved line on this top portion right there. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.